Hi, welcome to today's video. Today we're talking about extraordinary achievements and abilities or skills. So first, let's go to student book page 134 exercise A. Let's read this part of an essay and answer the questions. Why did Gladys leave home? Why did she go back to college? And why did she retire early? Pause the video while you find the answers. Okay, so if you notice, she left home when she was 16 so she could train as a nurse and then a midwife. She went back to college in order to qualify as a midwifery teacher, and she retired early to regain her health. Okay, let's read the sentences. What are the words in pink expressing? Pause the video while you think about this. Okay, so if you notice, we're using so that, in order to, or just to explain a purpose in writing. Now, look at the examples. She left home at the age of 16 so that she could train as a nurse. Or she left home at the age of 16 so she could train as a nurse. She went back to college in order to qualify as a midwifery teacher. She went back to college to qualify as a midwifery teacher. Now, please be careful when you are introducing purpose with so or so that. To introduce a purpose, you can use both. But if you're going to introduce a result or an effect, you cannot use so that, only so. Look at this. She suffered a serious illness, so she retired early. Why? Because that's the result. It's not correct to say so that she retired early, because it was not a purpose. Okay, let's practice. Let's go to workbook page 96, exercise A. You need to read the beginning of an essay and underline the three skills or abilities the writer mentions. Once you finish, complete the text with the expressions shown. Pause the video while you work on this. So, the first ability you should have found was an ability to understand other people's feelings, and the first blank was to be. We're going to check the rest in class. Now, let's go back to student book page 134. Exercise B. Please complete the sentences based on the previous paragraph. Clarice left school at the age of 16 in order to train as a nurse, or so, so that she could train as a nurse. Pause the video while you work on the rest. Okay, we're going to check this in class. Now finally, let's go back to to workbook page 96, exercise B. We're going to rewrite each pair of sentences as one, using the expressions in parentheses. You can make any other change that you need it. For example, 1. When I don't see my friends regularly, I call them. I want to keep in touch. When I don't see my friends regularly, I call them in order to keep in touch. 2. I often send friends a quick text message. I want to say good luck before a test. You should have. I often send friends a quick text message to say good luck before a test. Guys, remember to have this ready before class. I'll see you then. Bye bye!